Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet me Elvia Sharifah Dwianti from the Department of Communication Science, Faculty of Computer Science. Here I will do a retelling of the seminar from the live webinar, Communication Theory and Research, delivered by the UDINUS lecturer in Communication Science. Let's listen to the presentation of the material together until it's finished. Okay, here just go straight in for the session on communication theory and research material that has been delivered by the lecturer in charge of the communication research methods course. Theory in communication. 1. Communication theory. Many perspectives relate to communication theory are taken from the talks of communication experts such as Stephen W. Littlejohn, Karen Voss, M. Griffin Turner, and Harold Laswell. 2. The importance of studying communication theory. The theory is a construction or building of thoughts representing the various ways observers see their environment. Theory does not capture all of reality or phenomenon. According to Professor Dedi Mulyana, conveyed the importance of study communication for the following reasons. Communication as knowledge and skill. Communication as research. A. Learning communication as science and skill. Communication that teaches knowledge with various contractions such as journalists, public relations, communication management, expert, presenters, and effective communication skill. B. Studying communication for research. Communication as a field of science that can answer various social problems related to communication that occurs in society, because many communication phenomena exist in every layer and activity of human life. 3. Evaluating communication theory. All communication theories have limitation. It is impossible to find a theory that is in its entirety. Littlejohn believed that any communication theory should be evaluated in terms of its usefulness. Likewise, when conducting research, communication theory is used based on the purpose of intent of the research to be solved. So, to choose an exciting theory, it can be seen from 1. Theoretical scope of the material. 2. Its heuristic value. 3. Its validity of validity. 4. Parsimony of summary. 5. Transparency of openness. 4. Division of theory in communication studies. Based on the communication element you want to observe. A. Communication or communicant. People involved. B. Mises example of non-verbal code theory. Mises theory, speed action theory. C. Media or channel example. Agenda setting theory. D. The impact caused. E. The upscale test. 5. In communication research, theory can be used for reinforcement in chapter related to the literature review which is expected to be used to analyze the findings of data in the field which are included in discussion related to the field of communication. 6. Organizational communication. A. Pattern of organizational communication at the Sub-District Office of Yellow, Makassar. Communication patterns. B. Organizational communication between teachers and students is increasing learning motivation at Mawar State Elementary School in Banjarmasin. Credibility theory. 7. Classification of various communication theories. Approach depends on A. What is examined. B. What will be examined to determine the method used. C. The method used will produce different theories as well. A. Various communication theory. A. Symbol theory. Susan Langer. According to Langer, animal life is governed by feelings, but human feelings are mediated by a number of concepts, symbols, and language. Each symbol conveys a general idea, pattern, or flow. B. Theory of constructive. Jesse Dele. Individuals interpret and act according to various conceptual categories that exist in their minds. Reality does not show itself in a crude form but must be filtered through how one sees things. C. Accommodation theory. Howard Schultz. Accommodation theory explains how and why we adapt our communication behavior to that of others. D. Symbolic interaction theory. George Herbert Mead. Symbolic interaction focuses attention on the ways in which humans construct meaning and structure of society through conversation. E. Social penetration theory. Irwin Altman and Dalmas Taylor seeks to identify the process of increasing one's openness and intimacy in relationships with others. Retelling, because as we know that relate to the theory and research of this communication is the basic that is very necessary for future students. So that later when students who have prepared the thesis or final project will no longer experience confusion because the initial provision foundation is already strong and well informed. That in the field of communication theory and research, the development is also quite massive, especially in the field of communication because the science is very adaptive to existing developments. For example, the latest technology that it is also related to the latest trends, including social change in other fields, which are very closely related because our scientific field has intersection with various other disciplines. Cover. We have arrived at the final section of the webinar series on communication theory and communication research. I would like to thank the audience for participating in the ultimate series of efforts. I apologize if there are errors or deficiency in my delivery. I hope it can be useful for all of us. Amin, amin ya Lord of the world. Thanks all and thank you. I am resigning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.